ENTREPRENEUR.
TRENEUR.
हाँ.
Correct. सीखो कुछ.
अरे तो
कुछ
यही तो
सीखो.
सिखाया मैंने, अब यहीं से सीखूंगा मैं.
So what do you guys prefer in your life as a career option? A regular job or a startup?
A startup.
A business.
Definitely 9 to 5 job.
Startup.
सब business.
9 to 5 job.
Startup.
रेगुलर जॉब ही प्रेफर करता हूँ.
Probably a startup in fact.
The startup.
Well, I'll go for startup.
I think job is better.
Startup.
9 to 5 job.
Startup.
I think a startup.
आई प्रेफर जॉब.
I'll choose startup. अगर दोनों के बीच का कुछ मिडवे मिल पाए
आई एम प्रेफरिंग 9 to 5 जॉब ओनली.
तो वो.
अच्छी बात बोली.
Depends, obviously.
Why?
Because I make very inappropriate jokes at work.
Because I want something that's mine. 9 to 5 job is good.
If startup is something that I am passionate about,
Okay.
the idea of startup is basically what I believe in, then definitely startup.
You have liberty to express your skills and your thoughts.
Because I can't work for someone else when I have my own mind.
Because 9 to 5 में मैं उतना ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा जो मैं बिजनेस में कर सकता हूँ.
मुझे लगता है क्योंकि मैं इसी के लिए बना हूँ.
Yeah, maybe I have my own venture, which involves a 9 to 5 job, but it's my own venture.
Otherwise, there is nothing wrong with a 9 to 5 job.
Because you'll get to enjoy after that period, I guess.
If I have enough capital to survive that risk, then I'll definitely go for a startup. Because first of all, you should have a professional approach to do any startup. Otherwise, I'll go for a startup after doing a job when I have the risk factor in hand.
बिजनेस में मेरे को अपनी ग्रोथ दिखती है.
Like it's a money comes with an idea. If you are working for someone, that means you are making someone rich because of you.
First point is like you get आपको पता है कि आपको कितनी सैलरी पर मंथ you'll get in hand.
आई डोंट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी टू इन्वेस्ट.
तुम्हारा लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, तुमसे ना हो पाए.
We can work for ourselves, only for ourselves.
There are a lot of options कि आप grow कर सकते हैं. Growth के बहुत opportunities हैं. And you can plan accordingly. Budget, everything. You can plan your holidays accordingly.
Entrepreneur की spelling क्या होती है?
ENTER.
Incorrect.
आई कैन स्पेल दैट.
हाँ यार.
Oh, that's very tricky.
No, I can't try.
ENTREPRNEUR. I think I got it wrong.
ENTER.
Correct. Incorrect. ENTREPAU. Incorrect.
ENTER.
It's incorrect.
ENTREU.
Incorrect.
Yeah, he'll do it.
ENTREPRENEAURS.
Incorrect.
ENTREPEUR.
RE.
PEUR.
Incorrect.
ENTEER.
क्या TE?
TRE सॉरी.
ENTREPRENEUR. Incorrect.
ENTREPRENEUR.
TRENEUR.
हाँ.
Correct. सीखो कुछ.
ENTREPRENEUR.
Correct. Now, there is a very famous quote on social media. It's not exactly a quote, but हमने बहुत पढ़ा है इस बारे में. That you can never buy a Lamborghini in a regular 9 to 5 job. How true it is?
True.
100%, maybe. 100%.
या इट इज ट्रू.
It is true. It's not true.
Lamborghini is not everything, I feel.
Exception.
I can't save enough money. Maybe. Exactly. Exceptions are always there.
I like traveling in metro. I think that's true.
I think it totally depends on what you're doing.
You tell me, एक तरफ है 9 से 5 का आराम कह लो या फिर सैटरडे संडे की छुट्टी या फिर और एक तरफ है स्टार्टअप का स्ट्रगल. What do you choose and why?
Job.
Gamble.
Struggle.
Startup.
कुछ टाइम का स्ट्रगल है, उसके बाद मौज है.
Struggle. If you have an idea and you think it's good enough.
See, if you have a very good idea, if you think that you can make it,
अगर आप कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर नहीं जाओगे तो you won't achieve anything.
Hard work is the key to success.
Startup में भी struggle है, 9 to 5 में भी struggle है. If you think that is good enough, then you should definitely go for it.
you know, if you're very passionate about it, you should go for it.